12, subject statistics, chapter number 3, that is linear regression analysis, third chapter. Last time we have seen use of B means R into S by Sx, short method, 2 or 3 marks. This is also one of the important method, regression line of y on x, as well as the coefficient of determination. In our textbook, on the page number 138, example number, illustration number 13, that is 30 number, statistical data is given to us, job experience, that is in year, x variable, monthly salary, thousands of rupees, denoted by y variable, data is given to us, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of the item, that is small n equal to 7. Small n equal to 7. Monthly salary 22 means 22,000, 15,000, 25,000, etc. Right? We have to obtain number 1, the regression line of y on x, and hence estimate value of y for x equal to 15 number of the year of the experience. And second thing, also we have to obtain or the coefficient of determination and check or verify the assumption of the linear regression. Right? Coefficient of determination, that is capital R square. R square is nothing but coefficient of correlation R. In the second chapter, we have to make the square of the particular R. That is R square is coefficient of determination. And if value of R square is nearest to 1, then assumption is proper, assumption is suitable. If R square is nearest to 0, then assumption is not proper. Right? The data given x, y, first of all compute x bar and y bar. X bar means what? Summation of x upon n, 12 point something, 12.14. Y, total of y, 148 upon 7. The answer will be 21.14. Therefore, values of x bar and y bar are respectively 12.14 and 21.14, which are in fraction value, in decimal point. Therefore, we generally use the UV method, in which only we subtract, because these values are very small. And there is no common, 2, 5, etc. There is no common at all for the series x and y. Therefore, u means x minus 12 and v means y minus 20. You may select any value, not only this 12, you may subtract 10, you may subtract 15. Final answer will remain same. Final answer will not change. Y minus 20, you may select 22, you may select 15 also. Just we take x minus 12. From the series x, from each data subtract 12. From the series x, 12 minus 12, 0. 8 minus 12, minus 4. 16 minus 12, only 4. 20 minus 12, 8, and so on. Similarly for y, subtract 20 from each value of y. 22 minus 20, answer is 2. 50 minus 20, minus 5. 25 minus 20, that is 5. 30 minus 20, 10, and so on. After completing u and v, very simple, make the column of u square, v square, and u and v product, that is multiplication of u and v. Right? Square of 0, 0. Square of minus 4, 16. Square of 4, also 16. Square of 8, 64, and so on. Square of 2, that is 4. Square of minus 5, that is 25. Square of 5, also 25. Square of 10, 100. Square of minus 8, 64, and so on. Product means multiplication, u and v. 0 multiplied by any number, 0. 4 into 5, 20 with positive sign, because minus minus plus. 7 exa 56. It is also plus, because minus sign is there. Minus 2 multiplied by 0, 0 multiplied by any number. After completing this table, make the total of each column. Be careful while making the summation, while making the total. So, this is general procedure which we are doing from very beginning, and you can see since last 2 or 3 lectures. Regression line of y on x is given by y cap equal to a plus bx. We have to compute the value of a and b. For a and b, first of all we compute b. B means byx, the regression coefficient of y on x. Y on x, right? N time sigma uv minus sigma u into sigma v upon n time sigma u square minus sigma u whole square, right? Substitute the value uv, total of uv 184, 7, n means 7 number of 184, sigma u sigma v 1 and 8, total of u and total of v 1 8, sigma u and sigma v 1 8, sigma u square total is 153, see 153, and sigma u is 1 288 minus 8 1280, 1071 minus 1 1070. Our answer will be 1.196, approximately 1.20. Answer of B means byx, regression coefficient of y on x. B means byx 1.20, approximate value. Therefore A is given by y bar minus b times x bar. First calculate b and then A. This is the procedure, step by step. Y bar minus b times x bar. Substitute x bar in y bar. X bar means 12.14, y bar means 21.14, b means 1.20. The simplification will give you answer as 6.57. Substitute for A and B. A means 6.57, B means 1.20x. As x is given to be 15 number of the years experience. For x, substitute 15. This and simplify more. 1.20 into 15, answer will be 80 plus 6.57. Answer will be 24.57. But y cap or y in terms of thousands of rupees. Therefore, a employee having 15 number of the years of experience, job experience, estimated monthly salary 24.57 thousands of rupees. This is first item what we required. In the next, that is second number, the coefficient of determination capital R square is nothing but small r whole square. Formula for Karl Pearson coefficient of correlation, the same formula, n time sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon square root of under root of square root of n times sigma u square minus sigma u whole square. In another bracket, n times sigma v square minus sigma v whole square. Substitute the value 7 184 18 upon 7. This total is u square v square 153 234. 153, 234, 1 square, 8 square. Just to simplify more, the answer will be in the numerator 1280, in the denominator square root of 1684180. If you take the square root of this quantity, this number, answer will be 1297.75. Whole square, see, whole square. First of all, take the division and then take the square. The division of these two quantities 0.9863 whole square, and the answer will be 0.9728, which is approximately R square is given by 0.97 and the value which is nearest to 1. R square is 0.97 approximately, which is the value is near to 1, as the value of R square is 0.97 and it is very near to 1, and hence it is said that the assumption of linear regression is proper or it is suitable, as it is near to 1. See, this type of example can be asked in exam either in section E or section F, that is for 4 marks or for 5 marks. You must practice each type of example minimum 5 to 7 number of example from textbook, from illustration, from last exercise, from our PDF, from board last year papers, board paper set or Marvel or whatever maybe practice book you have, minimum 5 to 7 number of example of each type you must practice. And then again, section A and B are also important for 1 mark. MCQ type and answer in one sentence each. That ask in section A and B both. Right? Be practice very well at home and take care of your health. Now, this chapter within 1 or 2 lectures is going to finish. Therefore, as you must practice, you will get more and more marks. So complete your notes anytime. Your notebook will be checked by the school authority or by subject teacher or by the class teacher. So ready for that also. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much and nice to meet you.